Hello students, welcome to EC Engineering. In this video, we are going to see the introductory portion for a signal flow graph. The signal flow graph is used to represent the control system graphically and it was developed by S.J. Mash. Then we will find some terms in a signal flow graph. First of all, I will introduce all the terms, then I will explain you one by one, then it is convenient for you to make an understanding. First, node. A node is a point which represents the variable or a signal. We can represent the variable or a signal by using the symbol node. Just like a 0 or O. Not to represent like this. Then branch. A branch is a directed line segment which joins two nodes. See here, if you have a node like this, both the nodes are connected by a straight line which is called as a branch. The arrow on the branch which indicates the direction, the arrow which indicates the direction of the signal flow, and gain of the branch is the transmittance. Then we'll see what is transmittance. The gain occurred by the signal when it travels from one node to another is called transmittance. The transmittance can be real or complex. Then we'll see input node or source. A node that has only outgoing branches. See here a node which has only the outgoing branch. Then it is called as an input node or source. Then output node or sink. A node that has only incoming branches is called output node. See here in this example it has only the incoming branches. This node is an output node. Then that category is an mixed node. A node that has both incoming and an outgoing branches are called mixed node. We will see it with one example. See here. Here we have three nodes x1, x2, x3. See x1 and x2 has only the outgoing branches. So both are called as an input node. Now we'll see the last one means x4 which has only the incoming signal. So it's called as an output node. Now clearly observe X3. X3 has both incoming as well as outgoing signals. That's why X3 is called as a mixed node. Then path. See here, a path is a traversal of connected branches in a direction of the branch arrows. The path should not cross a node more than once. It's an important point. Keep it in our mind. See here we have node, 1 node, 2 node, 3 node and a 4th node. Now if we are connecting 2 nodes then it is called as a branch which has an arrowhead direction to flow. And the whole branches when connected via the node at once is called as a path. This is what we called it as a path. Then we have various kinds of a path via open path, closed path and forward path. See, open path starts at one node and ends at another node. Closed path starts and ends at the same node. Starts and ends at the same node. See here, we have an example with this It starts at one node. This path starts at one node and ends at another node. See, if we have an path like this, it starts and ends at the same node, then it is called as an closed path. Then a third category is a forward path. So it's a path from an input node to output node at the same time that does not cross any node more than once. This is what? The forward path. The next one is an forward path gain. It's a product of the branch transmittance or a gains which is indicated in the arrowhead of the forward path is called as a forward path gain. Then we have three more important terms need to explore. Individual loop. Individual loop is a closed path. Just now we discussed here as a closed path which is starting from a node and after passing through a certain path of a graph, it arrives at the same node without crossing any node more than once. Then loop gain is a product of branch transmittance gains of a loop. Then the last one, non-touching loops. See, if the loop does not have a common node, then they are said to be the non-touching loops. So students, in this video, we have seen what is the use of signal flow graph and what are all the important terms used in signal flow graph. So after viewing this video, make a like and put a comments in a comment section. See the next video as an introductory part regarding Mason's gain formulae. Then we'll pass on to the problem side. Thanks for watching and keep on support. Thank you, students.